it's Lisa Harris with RE/MAX Center. We're at the open house at 4744 Cardinal Ridge Way in Flowery Branch, Georgia. We have everything set up, cookies are baked, and we're going to have the drawing for the person who won the prize from the virtual Facebook open house just the other day on Valentine's Day. So I want to personally thank Melissa Soto, Melinda Allen, Misa Omi, Lynn Hutchison, Linda Kern, Rosa Zimmerman, Laura Sollenberger, and Kathy Bennett for all of your feedback and your time. We're going to put all of your names into the drawing now, and I have an able-bodied assistant here helping us bake cookies today. And so we're going to put every name in here. And Tim, tell us, what's the one thing you love most about this beautiful home?
The bar media room combination is fabulous.
The bar and media room combination.
Yes, all together in one room. Very nice.
It's perfect for entertaining, right?
Very good for entertaining.
They actually have 3 TVs in the media room, and then in the bar there's another TV, and they have stadium style seating, and it's really, really cool. So I can't wait for you guys to come by. We've got all the names in here. I'm gonna spin them around a little bit and then let Tim Tim shut his eyes. And the winner is
Linda Kern.
Linda Kern. Congratulations! You have won your choice of a Lowe's gift card. I know you need that. Or a massage from Massage MV. I don't know if they have those up where you are. Or what was the other one? It's a $100 gift card to Outback Steakhouse. That's good at any of their locations. So congratulations. Thank you again for your feedback. Everybody that comes by today for the open house and provides feedback will also be eligible for the next drawing. So thank y'all so much, and thank you for your business and your time, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Laura, hey. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home. Please let me know if I can answer any questions at all about the amenities or the home. This is a beautiful community, and I've always loved it. It's one of my favorites. So just let me know how I can help, and we'll see you soon in Flowery Branch, Georgia.